All right, so I'm going to tell you a little bit how we develop crankbaits at Berkley. This is a bait that Gary and Corey Spengler and I have been working on for a better part of 3 years. So the Berkley Money Badger here, and I actually grabbed, there's 5 sizes, but I grabbed the 675 here in particular, and we actually have the production mold of this particular bait developed, and we're testing it, making sure the fish like it. So when you look at this crankbait, number one, the thing I'm going to tell you is it's got a weight transfer on the larger sizes. It's got a tungsten weight transfer, so you're going to be able to cast this bait a mile. It's got a one-knocking rattle tube in there, so you got the great one-knock sound. It's got the flash disc technology, the better than balsa action. These are the things that we put in these baits to make them better crankbaits, better fish catchers.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.